Hi everyone. Today I will show you a simple way to activate the AT&T International Day Pass. Start by opening your browser and going to the official AT&T website. When the homepage loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see different menu options. Click on the one that says Support. After you click Support, you will see several categories. Once you are there, look for the button that says Get Internet Help and tap on it. This will open a support page where AT&T gives help articles and ways to contact them. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Keep scrolling until you see a section that gives you two choices. One option says Chat with a rep and the other says Give us a call. These are the two ways you can talk to AT&T support directly. You can choose either option. If you select Chat with a rep, you can start a live chat and tell the support representative that you want to activate the International Day Pass on your number. If you choose Give us a call, you will see the phone number you can dial. When you call, you can speak to a representative and ask them to add the International Day Pass to your line. That is how you can activate the International Day Pass. Thanks for watching.